How to achieve success in life according to Sri Krishna. Friends, this is the best shloka from Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 3rd shloka. Hear from the mouth of Sri Krishna himself. He says, Manushyanam sahasresho kaschid yatati siddhaye yatatanam api siddhanam kaschin mameti tatvatah. So the success means siddhi here. You understand the word? Siddhi means perfection or success. So there are two times this word is used of success, siddhanam and siddhaye. How to achieve success? Siddhi is, many people may try for success. Manushyanam sahasreshu. Many people, thousands of people, manushya, strive for success. Only few achieve. But among those who achieve success, only few know me in truth. So that means knowing Krishna in truth. That is kaschid mam veti tattva. Veti means to know. Tattvata means principle. Knowing Krishna in principle, in scientifically, in energetically, in conceptually. That is the means of success. You have to conduct your life in two tracks. One is the area where you want to achieve success. You are going on studying and doing a lot of research, working hard in that. Parallelly, you have to study about Krishna. The more deeper your understanding of Krishna, more deeper will be your success in your field and more everlasting your success. And also, see, many people achieve success and they vanish out. Nobody remembers them, or they get a bad track record. That is not good. Dharmically, you achieve success and you are in the pages of history. Your success is everlasting. The institutions you build everlasting. Like the Pandavas. Even today, Maharaj Yudhishtira is remembered. Why? Because his success was based on understanding of Sri Krishna, the friendship of Sri Krishna, the bhakti to Sri Krishna. That is why Yudhishtira Maharaj is remembered even today. So, kaschid mam veti tatvatha, understand me in principle, tattva, concept. Funde banao. Make fundas about Krishna. IIT language, engineering language, funda clear hona chahiye. So have your fundas about Sri Krishna very clear in life. Then you can achieve success. And how to do that? By studying the Bhagavad Gita. From the secrets of Krishna are given in the 9th chapter. Raja Vidya Raja Guhyam Pavitram Midam Uttam Pratyaksha Avagamam Dharmyam Susukum Kartam Mamyam. Right? Raja Vidya, this is the royal knowledge. Knowledge of Krishna is a royal knowledge, a royal secret, because anybody who knows the recipe of Sri Krishna and how his presence is there everywhere in the universe, in every atom, in every kana he is there, then the success is guaranteed. So friends, take this process. And even in and stop being envious of Sri Krishna. That is another point. Anasuyave, he says to Sri Krishna, Idam tute guhyatamam pravakshami anasuyave. Don't think Krishna is certain historical personality. He is the all-pervading supreme consciousness. He is a person, and understand that and give him that credit. Don't become envious and cancel him. And when you accept his leadership through the Bhagavad Gita, your success is guaranteed. So again, I repeat the shloka. Repeat after me. From today, start your study of Sri Krishna. If you need help, please contact me anytime. And I will take classes for you on the Bhagavad Gita to enable you to understand Krishna in Tattvata, in principle. Make your life everlastingly successful. Not beyond time you will become success. You will be in the history books. Manushyanam sahasresho. Please repeat after me. Kaschid yatati siddhaye. Second line. Yatatam api siddhanam kaschid mameti tattvataha. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare